Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set a reminder in Google Sheets. If you want to set reminders directly inside Google Sheets, you may have noticed there isn't a built-in reminder button. Google Sheets is powerful for data tracking, but it doesn't natively send alert notifications based on dates or deadlines. Let's begin. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you have a date column in your sheet. This is important because reminders are usually triggered based on dates. Once your sheet is structured properly, go to the top menu and click Extensions. Then click Add-ons. Select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Add Reminders. You will see several reminder-based extensions designed to send notifications based on spreadsheet data. Choose a reputable reminder add-on with good reviews and click Install. Review the permissions carefully. The extension will require access to your Google Sheets data and permission to send emails on your behalf. Click Continue to complete installation. Once installed, go back to Extensions. You will now see the reminder add-on listed. Click it and select Set up or Edit Reminders. A sidebar will usually appear on the right side of your screen. Then click on Add a new reminder. As you can see, it alerted us to name our column headers to use it as a deadline column, so we're going to do that. Then we're going to run the extension again. So here you can select the column that contains your due dates you want to apply the reminder on. Then choose when the reminder should be sent. You can select the exact hour, day, week, month, or year. Next, choose the email recipient. This can be your own email, a team member's email if included in the sheet, or multiple recipients. After setting timing and recipients, you can also customize the message content. Then once you're done, we're going to click on the Done button. And that's how you set a reminder in Google Sheets using an add-on extension. If this helped you automate your reminders and stay more organized, then you're already using Google Sheets more strategically than most people. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.